Hey there, this is Paul at RCS, and today I'm going to talk about some exciting new features in our Datastream analytics platform for NCR Counterpoint. In this video, I'm going to kind of put everything together and show you from my previous videos how to take a report that I've built and add it to my dashboard. And we call that creating a chart. So here I have my last year's sales report. I simply go up here on the top right corner and I press Create Chart. This automatically brings me into the chart creation screen. I can give this a name. And then from here, I have a whole bunch of options. Let's start on the left-hand side. So charts and reports are linked. So to build a chart, you need data behind it. That's called a data source or a report. So I've already selected last year's sales, but if I'm in here, I can choose any other report that I want, but I'm going to stick with last year's sales. Then you have some visualization styling here, so you can do select what type of chart you want. I'm just going to stick with a donut. And then as you see in my previous video, these can be changed on the fly, but by default, you can say how big you want it to be, whether it's a third of the screen, half of the screen, or all of the screen, and how tall is it, short, default, or tall. You can also have some custom icons that you can add to the top corner to give you a little bit, more of visual styling. Um, so up here, you can change these as you see fit. I'm just going to select normal and I want to see just stores. Then you can select your different columns. So I just want to see maybe ticket number. I want to see a count. I'm just going to call this count here. Format number. I want to limit my results to my top 10. I have the option to compare a prior period if I want to. It does not apply to some specific reports, so you'll see an error message there. And I can, if I want to, add various filters. I'm not going to add filters right now, but I could if I wanted to. So once I've set these filters here, I can hit save. I do need to load the preview. So let's go ahead and load this preview. So it brings up a visualization of what my demo chart will look like along with my name and my styling here. It's a donut. So now that I've previewed it, I'm going to save it. And now that I've saved it, what do I do with it? So I can go up here and I can go to manage dashboards. And what I can, if I wanted to, create a brand new dashboard here, and that would be the only chart on the dashboard, or I can add it to an existing chart, and that's this box here, dashboards with this chart. And since it's not on any dashboard, there's nothing there. But let's say I want to add this to my last year's sales. So I simply click last year's sales. I move over to the left here, and I can now see that it is on the last year's sales dashboard. I can press the save button. And then once it's saved, I can go back up here to my dashboard and I see last year's sales. And if I scroll down, I see my demo chart. And I think my demo chart is pretty important, although it probably shouldn't be that big. So I'm going to make it smaller and I want to move this up. So I can move this up right here and I see my demo chart. And then the next time I log in, I refresh the page and my demo chart is there. And I can do the same. I can copy the dashboard. I can go back over to analytics and I can add it to many more dashboards if I want to. Really, the sky's the limit. Okay, that was a tour of the chart aspect of our Datastream analytics platform.